How to add or change a contact's profile card on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update the background that appears on your screen when someone calls you. First, open the Contacts app on your Android device and find the contact you want to update. After that, tap on the contact to open their profile, then tap the Edit or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. From there, on the Edit page, you'll see two options for pictures at the top. The first one is the profile card, which has a tall, phone-like shape, and the second circular one is the regular contact photo. Right here, tap on the first option, which is the profile card. At this point, you'll see two ways to set it. You can either choose an image from your gallery or pick from the pre-given color options. Moving on, tap on any option to see a live preview of how it'll look when that contact calls you. Following this, if you also want to use the same image as their contact photo, go ahead and check the option below the preview. From here, if you want to swap the image, tap the Change Image button below to pick a different one from your gallery. Once done, tap Done at the top right to confirm your selection. Finally, tap Save at the bottom right to apply all the changes. And that's it! If this guide helped you change a contact's profile card on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one!